Hello and welcome to this special presentation. I'm excited to share with you that PICPA Bukidnon proudly supports the ongoing campaign to declare Bukidnon as the world's soil painting capital through the Guinness World Records. As a province rich in culture and natural beauty, soil painting is more than just an art form. It's a reflection of our deep connection to the land. PICPA Bukidnon stands with our local artists in showcasing the unique artistry and heritage that makes Bukidnon truly exceptional.
Congratulations in advance to Bukidnon Local Artist Collective or Bulak of Bukidnon headed by Dato Baway Saway for envisioning Bukidnon to be the soil painting capital of the world. The Philippine Institute of Certified Public Accountants of Bukidnon support this endeavor. The realization of this vision will bring Bukidnon arts and tradition worldwide known. Soil painting may seem unusual, but it's taught us valuable lessons that can be applied to our daily work as certified public accountants. First, it requires patience and persistence. We can't rush through a project and expect to get the desired result. We need to take our time, observe the situation, and adjust our approach. Secondly, soil painting shows us the importance of appreciating small details. We often get caught up in big picture and forget about the details, but these small changes can make a difference. Finally, painting with soil as medium encourages us to be more creative and think outside the box. It's a reminder that there's no one right way to do things, and that experimentation and innovations are key to achieving our goals. So the next time you're faced with challenge, take a break and try your hand at soil painting. You might discover new perspective and insights that can benefit your work as an accountant.
As we conclude, let's take a moment to appreciate the profound significance of soil painting. It's not just about creating beautiful art, but also about preserving our environment and promoting cultural pride. Bukidnon soil painting tradition serves as a reminder of how deeply intertwined we are with the land we stand on. By supporting this campaign, we are not only elevating Bukidnon's global recognition, but also inspiring future generations to care for our natural resources and cultural heritage. Together, we can make a lasting impact.